Good evening, sir. This is for the Asian meals, for the Filipino food. Look at that. It's green. This what is called this the beans. Ginisa, right? Beef. Beef curry. This is the one. Dal. Look at this one. Nice. See. Vegetables. And also this one. Nice. Very delicious and very tasty. See, I like it. This one. So look at that. Wow. It's totally. Wow, very nice. See. And the white rice. Also, it's the vegetables. Look at this. The vegetable. Wow. It's nice, huh? Look. And this the sweets. Also. What's called this is jelly with included that cat fruits. Nice. It's delicious. So look at that. So here one more time. Look at this one. And my new promoted Mr. Raymond, he's a waiter right now. Hi Mr. Raymond, how are you doing? Good? Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and goodbye. Thank you.